I'm gonna show you how to use LuxAlgo from scratch. So to get started, you have to open tradingview.com first and then sign into your account so you can use the indicators LuxAlgo. So from here, you have to, select a market to trade, and then from right above in the middle right here, you just have to click on indicators. And so from there, you have to type in or search LuxAlgo, and then from here you will see that the first trade is a paid to trade. So LuxAlgo offered you need to pay them so you can use their indicators such as this first oscillators overlays, but you can use it actually by referring to the scroll bottom right down here. You can use it LuxAlgo from their sessions or any other. Some uses the orb, which is opening range with breakouts. So this is the commonly used indicators with LuxAlgo. So from there, you just have to click it and then press X, and then you will see all the indicators on your chart here. So from there, you can edit it whatever you want through the settings. You can customize it, or you can put whatever you want. And so from there, that's how to put LuxAlgo from scratch in TradingView.